Interview. Buckle up, guys. This courtroom clash gets heated fast. A mother storms in demanding more money, but the judge isn't having it. Watch how her bold request gets dismantled in seconds, leaving the whole room stunned. This isn't just justice, it's reality hitting hard.
How old are you?
23.
Are you currently employed?
Yes.
What are you currently employed as?
No lotto as an MQT step. No, just an MQT.
Okay, and how many hours do you work a week?
I believe it's a solid 40 now.
Okay, and how much do you make an hour?
I think it went up to either 18.25 or 17.05.
Okay, and do you have any money in the bank at this time?
$20 in the bank at this age.
Okay, do you have any other sources of income?
No.
Do you rent or own any property?
No.
Who do you currently live with?
Mom.
Do you pay any bills?
Yes.
What bills do you pay?
Water, phones.
How much is that?
125 for the phones, and depending on water, it can vary from 125 if I have a month payment to 85.
Okay, do you have any jewelry or assets that you could sell?
No, you're on.
No, okay, do you have any family members that could provide any additional monies other than what they provided to retain your counsel?
No.
Do you have any banks that could loan you any money that you know of?
Not to my knowledge.
Okay, Your Honor, that's about all I have.
All right, so counsel, with regards to the request for the experts, the court is going to find that the defendant is unable to retain any type of experts in this case. We can go off the record, Cindy, but what I need is there's no expected price or,
Oh, you need the
Yeah.
amounts?
yes,
Okay.
just an approximate. So if you bring me that with the approximate, then I'll review it, and he doesn't need to be present for that.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
It would be excused and we keep our dates.
Yes, keep your dates, but please come back. We'll be here tomorrow. So if you want to come back tomorrow with an approximate of price, then I will sign it.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank
May we
you.
be
Thank you.
excused?
Yes, have a good day.
You're good to go.
Roberto Ambrosino, who are you here for?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Cassandra Oberlender. I believe she's in the Zoom waiting room for a restitution hearing. She lives in Colorado.
All right, state on Cassandra Oberlender. It's for a restitution hearing. Are you all prepared to proceed?
Yes, sir.
All right, Cassandra Oberlender. And do you all, first of all, do you all have a restitution amount?
We have a witness here, Judge.
Oh, okay. Court is calling 2024 CR 012530 State versus Cassandra Oberlender. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
For the defense?
Roberto Ambrosino.
And are you Cassandra Oberlender?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, any objections to Miss Oberlender appearing by Zoom? And defense, I'm assuming you have no objection to your client appearing by Zoom?
No, Your Honor.
And Miss Oberlander, you do realize that if you wish to appear in person for this hearing, you can appear in person. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you consent to having this hearing by Zoom?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. State, do you have any witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor. State Code Aida Ramos.
Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yep.
All right, you can lower your hand. Make sure you keep your voice up for the court reporter to hear and for the persons on Zoom to hear. If you'll state your name for the record.
Aida Ramos.
All right, state, you may proceed.
Ms. Ramos, what is your occupation? I'm a realtor. Property manager. Your property manager for which property? Simple Realty Services. Is Simple Realty Services renting to or were they renting to a tenant by the name of Miss Oberlander? No, that was her boyfriend. What is her occupation? Right.
Okay, so guys, I'm so sorry. You are gonna have to speak up because I'm having trouble hearing. And the court reporter, I'm looking at her real time and she's having problems hearing. All right, so if you'll repeat your last question, please.
Yes. What was Miss Oberlander
All right, guys, here's one for the books. A mom walks in confident, pushing for extra cash. But the judge cuts straight through the excuses with razor-sharp truth. Every word shuts down entitlement and flips the entire case on its head. Pure courtroom gold.
Where, because we had cameras inside, and she went in there and she also stole money. That I also have where her boyfriend Riley texted me, and she said that he could.
Objection, hearsay.
Sustained.
So you said she broke in through the garage, is that correct?
Yeah, the garage.
Did you have the garage fixed or replaced?
Yes, ma'am. I do have for the invoice here. I'm sorry.
Did you get an estimate done for that repair?
Yes, we did.
Through which company?
Alpine Property Group.
And how did that happen?
Well, after we made the report, you know, I did speak to the owner and he requested for us to.
Objection, hearsay.
All right, so just talk about what, may I ask a question? Any objection?
No.
Any
No
objection?
No,
All right, so what damages are you alleging was caused by Miss Oberlander?
The breaking of the door of the garage.
Okay,
and
the garage door, what else?
Camera.
And the camera.
Mhm.
What's the price to repair the garage door?
Like here, it was $850 for the door and the installation, and the security system was $650.
All right, so how much for the garage door?
$850.
$850. Does that include the price of the door
And
and the installation?
Correct.
And how much for the camera?
It was $650.
$650. State, any other questions? Defense, any questions?
Yes. Isn't it true that Riley, the actual tenant to the property, had a key to access the room where the camera was?
No, not that, only to his room. There was an attachment there where he actually lived. The door where she broke in, it was on the other side.
So in what manner are you saying that he broke the door or that she broke the door?
She broke in. Well, I don't know what she did because the camera was inside the garage, because we had cameras inside the garage.
Isn't it true that she was given, or I'm sorry, that Riley was given a key by someone named Sergio that actually allowed him to have access, even though I guess there's some dispute over whether he was supposed to be entering into that property?
No, he only had the key for his area where he lived.
When did you repair the property after that?
The date here of the invoice is for June the 1st.
June the 1st of 2025?
2024.
Okay. This incident actually happened several months before that, isn't that correct?
So the incident happened. It happened, well, we repaired it after the break-in.
Right, but I mean, you allegedly let the house go unrepaired then for several months.
Well, this is where I have the invoice. I got it from the owner
Okay, why isn't the owner here today to testify?
because I'm the property manager.
Okay, so you didn't actually pay to have any of this fixed?
I didn't pay for it. It was the owner, the company, which is Simple Realty Services.
Okay, and so you don't know anything that wasn't secondhand information that was told to you by somebody else?
No, sir.
Okay, pass witness.
All right, any other questions?
I think that's your honor.
Defense, any other questions?
No.
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. State, any other witnesses?
No.
All right, oh, I'm sorry, you may have a seat. Defense argument?
Judge, my client contends that there was a key to enter the property. Basically, this was a room that he was renting and he had access to the whole property, and that she, yes, did go into that particular room without consent. and she did damage the camera, so we do not contest that amount.
This one's wild. A mother thought she had the upper hand, demanding more money without accountability. But the judge delivers a masterclass in fairness, stripping away her arguments piece by piece. A shocking reality check you don't want to miss.